Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to get started with using Webflow and go ahead and create your first website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you have to access inside the Webflow. As you can see, we have the dashboard option right here, the marketplace where you can buy templates and libraries and so on, and here are all the necessary options that you can use. So, as you can see here guys, here I have the option to see all of my websites that I have created. As you can see, I have already created a website right here, which is called YouTube Tutorials. So, I'm going to go ahead and create a new website for today. And I can go ahead and create a new website by clicking the blue button right here called New Site. So, let's go ahead guys and click on New Site. And now this will bring us to the page where you'll be able to go ahead and select the template that we want to use. Here as you can see, we have the free templates that are being offered to us, and if we scroll down a bit, then we can see all of the paid templates that are more exclusive and that you can buy to use for your website. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use the free template right here. I'm going to select this portfolio starter template right here, click on select. After clicking on select guys, you can see you can give a site name, just type in whatever you want. I'm going to leave it at this and click on create site. After clicking create site guys, now this will bring you to the page. As you can see, we have successfully gone and created our site. It will take a couple of seconds to load up and you can then get started with editing the website. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and wait until this loads up. As you can see, now we have loaded up the website and we have started in designer mode. So if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see all of the options that you have for adding new features to the website. You have the option to add elements where you can add text and pictures, buttons and so on. You have the option to see your components, you can even see your settings right here and so on. And the right side of the screen, you have the option to style those components. You have the option to style, you can change the color, the spacing and so on. You have the option to see the element settings and so on. You can use all of the options on the left and right side of the screen to go ahead and get started with editing your website and making it look however you want. But yeah guys, basically that's just a beginner's guide with how to get started. You can go ahead and play around with the options to make your website. But I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.